He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Man, we're out here on a glorious day, man. It's 60-something degrees, man. I'm about to peel out of this hoodie. It was a little chilly this morning, and it required some long sleeve, but I'm about to get out of this hoodie and really enjoy this weather, okay? Hey, today we've got the Asmoke flowing, and we're going to be cooking some crab-stuffed portobello mushrooms, okay? Got them all lined up. Got a little sweet heat rub on them. Got a little jalapeno pepper on top, and we're gonna layer the top of each one with two different types of cheeses. So hang around, watch this short prep work, and we'll see how these bad boys turn out. Okay, coming at you. All right, guys. So I got one of the mushrooms here. We're gonna have a quick taste test. I took one of the ones that had the three cheese sprinkled on top of it. The other ones, of course, had the pepper jack cheese on top of it. So it smells smoky. It looks fantastic. So let's go ahead and have a bite and let's see how it all came through. The mushroom is nice and soft. Nice smoky smell to it. Oh yeah, that's really good. The heat from the jalapeno and the rub that we put in there is fantastic. It gives it a nice sweet heat, and the jalapeno gives it a nice kick. The cheese is nice and creamy, and so is the crab meat. It's seasoned well. The chives um, from the cream cheese are very good. Mm, these are fantastic. The wife should be really, really happy with this. Well, that's all we have time for today. If you got any questions about the cook we just did, hit me up in the comments block. If you're not a member, please subscribe to the channel. We love to have you as a member of Team Bad Beast. And that's about it. Hey, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, also, if you're interested in an Asmoke, I will put the link at the bottom description block. You can cook this on any grill, the Rectech, the Asmoke, the Weber, even in the oven. If you don't have a smoker, the only thing you're going to be missing is that smoky flavor. But the Asmoke grills are now sold online and at Home Depot, so check them out. They just had a sale not too long ago. So anyway, like we always say, okay, see you guys around the smoker. Mm. Crab meat, mushroom, and jalapeno with a little cream cheese. You cannot go wrong with this one. Ooh. Mm. So good. Mm. So good.